Hi everyone, welcome to NaokoChannel piano lesson. Today I'm going to teach you intervals. Let's get to the lesson. Interval is a distance between two notes. Okay, so you have already learned the intervals of steps. You're gonna give them a new name. So step is now second, C, D. As a 1, 2, okay? This song, all the notes are steps. You see, right hand starts with treble G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E. Yes, left hand starts from bass C, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, F, E. Here, C and D together. It has to be angled because it's space note and line note, so it looks like two leaves with the stem. C and D together, and this is F and G together. Okay, same thing, twice, quarter rest, and D, C. This is F, E, rest. Let's try. Your hand position will be C5 finger scales, bass C, treble G. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Okay, let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now interval of a third, which means C, D, E, like 3 letters, 3 alphabets, 1, 2, 3. That was skip before. Now the new name called third. C to E, or D to F, or E to G. Anything that skip alphabet, that means interval of third. Try the song. Right hand C and E, left hand E and G. 4/4 mezzo piano, happily. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. C, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B, G, A, B, C, C, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next page. Let's skip this page. Now, interval of fourth. Same thing with the seconds and the third. You see, C, D, E, F. That's a 4 alphabet. So, interval is fourth. All right? Example, E to A. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's fourth. Other ones, D to G. That's another example. Okay, let's try this song. The right hand has the fourth intervals harmony. You see, C and F. And this one too, C to F. Right? This one is E to C, third. Now E, E, D, E, F, C. Next page. Fermata sign. Fermata is a hold longer than the usual. So practice before you play with me and let's try together. Let's set up your hands first. Number 2 goes on F. Right hand, middle C and F. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, F, F, E, C, E, E, D, F, C, 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 F, E, D, G, fermata. E, E, D, F, 2, 3, rest, F, F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. G has a fermata. Then E, E, D, F. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good? All right. So now, octave sign. Play 1 octave higher than the written if you see this sign above the treble clef. Let's try this piece. Left hand number 4 on G. And right hand starts from G. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, C, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, G, C, C. Rest. G, C. Repeat. G, C, C, G, 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 C, C. Rest. G, C, C, G, G, C, 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 G, G, A, G, G, C, C, G, 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 C, C, rest, G, C, rest, G, C, rest, octave. This one is a 3/4 beat. Okay, so 3 beat each measure. Quarter note gets 1 count. Practice before you play with me. Okay, let's try this song. Right hand start with a C, treble C. Left hand start with, right here, major 9, bass C. Ready? 1, 2, go! C, 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 F, E. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. C, C, C. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, C, D, F, 2, 3. Intervals of fifths, same rule. C to G is 5 letters, fifth. Okay, let's try this song. Left hand starts F, right hand starts D. Okay, pedal sign. That means you're gonna hold the pedal all the way to end. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Octave up. 2, 3, 4. Okay, then let's get to the next page. C 5-finger scale. So left hand bass C and G, that's a fifth. And right hand from treble G. Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, G, G, C, G, C. Rest. Okay. How did you do today? If you have any questions, please comment. I will answer your questions. And don't forget to subscribe. Video is gonna come every week. And you can learn piano by yourself with this video, with me. See you at the next lesson.